And you tell everybody hi. You okay? You sheepy? You sheepy? Guys, look how big he's getting. Look at his little tube. He got some food on here that he was eating earlier. Hey, hi everybody. I want to talk now. All right. You don't want to talk? Not that you can yet. Okra.
Is that pickled stuff?
Yeah.
I have one.
Guys, if y'all haven't tried pickled okra,
You gotta grab it for me because I got to try it.
you're missing it. Why does it look so blurry? So guys, this vlog is definitely skipping around. The first part of it was from a couple of days ago. But it's really hard for me to vlog every day. I wish I could, but it's pretty boring. I go to work every day. You know what I mean?
Oh.
Same routine. I wake up in the morning, take care of the baby, try to make my lunch, run around the house like a crazy person, then go to work.
What is this for? Seasoning.
I don't know. I just got it.
Toasted onion and garlic.
It just looked
potato.
it just looked good. It just looked good.
Oh, so this is for potatoes?
Yeah.
So what is it? So it's
I got Rex.
onion, salt. Oh, it's like a.
I got Rex in my wax. Honestly, I mean, it says for potatoes, but honestly, you can use this on chicken. It's just a seasoning, so that's why I got it, because I thought it'd be good
Can
to
you use it on
something.
beef? What do you know about beef? Anything?
No, because you're supposed to be doing plant-based, so I didn't really know. Yeah.
Can I have some more of the okra?
Yeah, can you wash your hands though? You just
You want
took
to just grab me one? I don't feel like washing my hands.
You just said that on camera.
That's right. I just don't
That's
feel like
absolutely disgusting, bro.
What did I do? I don't have to wash my hands.
Yeah, but why wouldn't you want to wash your hands? That's
We're
the
getting
thing.
juice everywhere, man.
You get to be able to clean it up.
I'm good.
No more?
It's a little slimy, you know?
I like it. Hey guys, so if you guys are watching me now, that means you watched the whole video, so thanks so much. Pull my shirt up here because I don't need y'all seeing my fat mama rolls I got now, but that is okay. We're gonna get that taken care of. So of course we're all in quarantine or whatever, so you know, I feel like people are saying we save money, but we're actually not. We're actually spending more than we save. It's like redistributed money, I guess, if that's even a word. It's like you don't spend money on like going out to eat, but you spend a ton of money on Amazon, hence this portion. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Amazon just today. So I have this big old box here, and I did not bring anything to open this, so let's hope the strong mama hands can open it. I order a lot of stuff on Amazon. Like, I normally like order stuff for my son. I normally like order stuff for my son. You know, and just all kinds of stuff. So let's see. We got a lot of goodies. First off, my son is gonna be 8 months this month, so I went ahead and purchased him some toothbrushes because I read, I guess the Association of Pediatricians said before that you should start brushing your kids' teeth around the age of 2, but they're saying now that you should brush them as soon as possible, as soon as they have a tooth, and he does. He has like almost 2 teeth poking out, so I bought this for him. And then, oh, and those are by Ecovana, and it's toothbrush, gum massager, baby toddler 0 to 2 years old, BP free, non-toxic, and so yeah, those are that. Then I bought him the Burt's Bees for kids. It's actually fruit fusion flavored, and it's fluoride toothpaste. I know there's a lot of discussion back and forth. Should kids have fluoride? Should they not have fluoride? Blah, blah, blah. I don't know. We decided to go ahead and give our kid fluoride. So yeah, hopefully that's the best decision. So yeah, this is, sorry. This is what it looks like. I can't tell you how much any of this stuff costs. Sorry. If I ever do like an Amazon haul, then I'll do that. So one thing about me, oh, well, I'll wait to tell you guys that part. I also bought him some flashcards, and it just says perfect for little learners, and it's first words. So I'm just trying to work with him as much as I can. He's not in daycare right now. He seems to be a pretty quick learner, so I'm just kind of wanting to work with him, make sure, you know, I can do as much as I can to help with his development. So I got those. Okay, so back to my comment. something about myself is that I love lip gloss. I'm always wearing lip gloss. I'm always buying lip gloss, and I'm always spending money on lip gloss. So yeah, I decided that I was gonna just like make my own lip gloss. I tried to, so I just bought some stuff off Amazon. So I have like some little syringes, and that's just, once I make the lip gloss, I can just put it in that and then put in the actual lip gloss tube. So some of the oils that I bought grapeseed oil. That's by Premium Nature. I bought some aloe vera gel, and it's organic. It's by Nature Sense. Can you see that? Okay. And then I bought some shea butter. I bought some yellow brick. Ooh, smooth. I feel like I thought it was gonna be hard, but it's not. Pure unrefined raw shea butter. That's by Yellow Brick Road. And that is it for that box. So then the next box, a little smaller like this. Let's see. I have 2 more shipments coming in too. Ugh. Thursday and Friday. I love Amazon. I wish they would like sponsor some of my stuff. One day, that'd be nice. Okay. And then just kind of keeping with the lip gloss thing, I got some castor oil by Now. Can you see that? Yep. My hands are ashy. Sorry, y'all. I've been washing dishes all day. I swear that's all I do is wash dishes. And then I bought these little bitty lip gloss. I can't talk. Lip gloss tubes. They're like super mini. I thought they were a little bigger. But I mean, it's just for me, so it doesn't even matter. Whatever. So I can make some and just store it. And then just put it in there as needed. So yeah, super cute. I like this. Or maybe I can make some for like Christmas and give them out to my friends. Yeah, my friends, family members, acquaintances. So that's a good idea. I'm always trying to look for little creative things to do for people anyway, so that's a really good idea. Thanks, guys. All right, and then the last thing is, because my little munchkin is so little, and we're trying to teach him how to drink out of a cup, I bought him the Munchkin Spill Proof Miracle Cup. And so let me see. I'll take this off hopefully. Like on the top of it, you can like twist it, and I think you can twist it. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, well, clearly I don't know how to work this yet. But anyway, these are just little cups for him to help him learn how to drink from a cup. He's been drinking water and stuff. So yeah, I bought these for him. So that is pretty much everything that I got from Amazon. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this vlog. I appreciate you guys chilling with me. I'm pretty sure this clip seems a bit brighter than the others because I have my